Introduction to Attention is All You Need. Attention is All You Need is a landmark paper by Vaswani et al. 2017 that introduced the transformer architecture, a model that relies entirely on attention mechanisms, discarding recurrence and convolutions. This enabled faster training and more effective modeling of long-range dependencies. Motivation behind the transformer. Prior models like RNNs and LSTMs process sequences sequentially, limiting parallelism. CNNs improve efficiency but struggle with long-range dependencies. The transformer removes recurrence and uses attention to model global dependencies. Transformer architecture. The model uses an encoder-decoder structure. Encoder processes input sequence. Decoder generates output sequence. Each layer includes multi-head self-attention, feed-forward neural network, residual connections, layer normalization, self-attention mechanism. Self-attention computes relationships between all words in a sequence. This lets the model focus on relevant parts of the sequence for each word. Multi-head attention. Rather than a single attention function, multiple attention heads run in parallel. Each head learns different relationships. Their outputs are concatenated and projected. This improves the model's ability to capture varied patterns. Positional encoding. Because attention is position agnostic, we inject positional information using sinusoidal functions. This enables the model to understand the order of tokens. Feed-forward networks. Each position in the sequence passes through the same feed-forward network. These layers introduce additional nonlinearity and complexity. Residual connections and layer norm. Each sublayer, attention, feed-forward, is wrapped with layer norm, X plus sublayer, X. This aids training stability and gradient flow, allowing deeper networks. Decoder. Masked attention and output generation. The decoder uses masked self-attention to prevent looking ahead. It also attends to encoder outputs for context. Output is generated step by step, token by token. Training and results. Evaluated on machine translation tasks. English to French, 41.8 blue. English to German, 28.4 blue. Outperforms LSTMs with fewer compute resources and faster training. Advantages of the transformer. Parallelizable. Processes sequences in parallel. Scalable. Effective with large data and deep architectures. Generalizable. Forms the backbone of models like BERT, GPT, T5, etc. Limitations and challenges. Quadratic time complexity with respect to sequence length. Lack of recurrence means it may not always capture fine-grained temporal patterns. Subsequent work addresses these with sparse attention and efficient transformers.